Y'all like to catch up on, put my stuff down right now. Starting off with, the red truck is back in the shop for another transmission. You guys know it failed under like 300 miles. Pain in the butt, had to get it fully warranted, blah, blah, blah. I was dealing with that while we're on vacation. Bringing up vacation, guys, I'm still gonna, if you want me to put out the one video, I'll be able to, I will. We went out there and still caught some northern, but there's a whole backstory about the vacation. It literally got cut less than half. I mean, we were there at the lake for one day, then we had to go back home. I'll explain all that if you guys want to see that video, but you gotta let me know before, because it's not much of a video, but I think I can make something out of it if you guys do want to see that. But the bags are packed. Transmission came yesterday. My guy who's putting it in, he's going on vacation right now, so I'll get the truck back in about a week. In the meantime, Braden wanted to come pick me up so I can get down there and do a little bit of work with him. So yeah, the boy's about to be here in about 10 minutes. So I know as soon as he grabs me, we're actually heading out to BUSCO Beach. I think he mentioned something about Miller or maybe Kyle. I really don't know who's all going out there. Always a question mark what we're getting into, but I know that's where we're going straight from here. I've only been to one park with Braden. I think it was Carolina Adventure World with the X3, so I'm riding passenger again. It's gonna be fun, just waiting on him to arrive, and hopefully we'll get into this pretty soon. Oh, and there's trouble. What are you doing? All right, guys, so made it to Performance East. Dude, this place is freaking insane. Kyle, Luke, Miller, everyone's here. Actually, I just found out Miller's buying the X3. This thing's bad to the freaking bone. I haven't seen it yet, but yeah, he said he spent a lot of money. I guess all of us are going to BUSCO after this. But dude, look at this right here. And they're selling full-ass boats. This has 4 400 horsepower motors on it. It's pretty cool here. In that parking lot over there, they have a lot more stuff. I like looking at different dealerships, because if I was to buy something, this would be the place I come, because they're good people, and I like the whole setup. So yeah, we're just waiting for everybody to come out. I'm about to run back in. I just wanted to update you guys, and yeah, we're going to BUSCO, baby. Alright, y'all, we just made out here to BUSCO Beach. Like I said, I've never been here before. I've only been to one park, and that was Carolina Adventure World, I think. We got everyone out here. Everyone's loaded up. Miller, like I said, bought a new X3. This thing is bad to the bone. Oh, she looks good. I'm excited about shit my pants last time I rode with Braden, so we're going round 2.
Miller, dog! Are you ready to rip?
Yeah, I'm so ready, brother.
Brand new X3, baby. Let's get it.
It looks good, man.
Yeah, that thing looks sick.
I'm excited, man. This is the new park. I've never been here.
Oh, Peter.
Never been here.
Peter's never been here, bro.
He said it's a lot better than Carolina Adventure World. Kyle!
Bad boy fired up.
Oh shit. Brady, you know the deal. Don't kill me.
No promises.
Kill us.
I'll kill us.
Miller, you be safe and have fun.
Roll it, Kyle. We need to be talking to that guy.
He's gonna be the one to do it.
That guy's the roller.
And we're off.
Woohoo! Baby, it's about to be a good day. Peter, you're about to have to
I know, bro. I'm excited, man. Hans looks so good. Oh, no. It's dusty, dude. Oh, no.
Bro, these are so much deeper.
Oh, shit. I don't like the jumps.
Do what?
I don't like the jumps.
Bro, this dust is ridiculous.
Ugh, dude, I'm eating so much dust right now.
Oh yeah, the dust is terrible.
I'm literally eating sand, dude. It's all in my mouth. Dust, dust. Oh, too dusty to be hauling ass. Dude, I can't see shit. I can't see.
Oh yeah.
If I can't see, you can't see. And you're driving. I'm just closing my eyes and I don't like it. Bro, it's not fun being second. We can't see shit. You gotta be first because there's so much dust. Slow down! Thank God, I love that sign. Oh my God. That was 73?
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Dude, my face is
Off your face?
Yeah. So what is this, the baby track?
Yeah, this is like a kid's track.
Okay. Oh shit.
Wait, I gotta throw it full drive.
Oh shit. My God. Oh.
I'm gotta look at this. Oh yeah, we can do that one too.
Coming around the corner. Oh!
This one.
Dizzy, dizzy!
This one was pretty steep. Yeah,
Oh! Ow!
Oh!
Ow!
Oh! That was the hardest stuff I've ever stuffed. Oh my god.
That was my knees, dude.
Did I break something? My steering wheel ain't straight.
I broke my knee. Ow!
My freaking seatbelt wasn't on, I would have went out the front.
Dude, I hit it hard. The GoPro was just facing down. That's how hard we hit it.
No way.
That was scary, man. How can I ride with you? Can we not do that again, please?
What? You didn't enjoy that? But it knocked your GoPro down.
I know.
Yeah, we're good, baby.
Yeah, it's not terrible. Oh, no! Shit!
We're good. Let's straighten back out. See? It'd been a lot cooler if we front flipped though.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't have. Because Miller got his new X3, I guess we're gonna go line them up and see who's the fastest. The dude right here is about to launch us off. One, and go! You got him, you got him! Dude, Miller was catching up. Catching up.
You're coming back hard. That is fast.
We're catching up, dude.
It's harder instead of hitting the tires and the front.
We got him on the jump. Kyle was behind us, and then Miller was creeping, dude, around like 60, 70. That was good, bro.
We won that race though.
No, we did, we did. And go. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Miller's just keeping up, man.
Stock bike, bro?
That's really good. I love the lakes, man. I've never been to BUSCO before. Like I said, it's like a little beach. Oh no! Brandon, you son of a He only hit it on my side too.
Yeah, I know, that's the point. Oh, we gotta get another one right here?
No! Oh! Well, at least we can see how deep he's going. Oh, that's pretty deep. That's pretty deep.
This is the pond.
No, get me out. See how deep it is right here.
Oh, that's pretty deep. Oh, that's deep. Oh, if he does it, I got it.
No, you don't. Brayden, no.
What?
No!
Look at that shit, son.
Dude, that's too damn deep. No! No! There's fish jumping. There's fish. The floor's full of water. Stop going in it.
What? How deep is that?
Bro, that's deep.
It was over your tires, wasn't it? I didn't want my butt to get wet. Your what? I didn't want my butt to get wet. Yeah. Here, go. I want to see how deep it is. Okay.
No! Fuck. Oh, dude. That's... Oh, no!
That just got wet.
Oh. That's deep, dude.
That is pretty deep.
That's very deep. All right, where are we going now?
This track.
Nah, this is a weird one. That's scary, dude.
I was sending this with the fender.
Oh, shit. Oh! That's steep! Shit!
My camera.
Camera's good, face f. Just found out what roost was, and it hurts when you get hit in the face. Kyle threw a massive clump of dirt at us. I'm talking smack down in the face. Oh no! 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 Shit! Oh my god, dude.
He said 65.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. That's scary, dude.
I hit it at 60.
That's scary as shit. And then hot.
Oh yeah. There it is.
Oh. Alright, y'all, my face is covered in mud. I've even tried to clean it up a little bit. BUSCO's, it's been fun. It's definitely like, if I was quiet in some of these clips, y'all, I was actually like kind of shitting my pants a little bit. It feels weird not being in control of something while it's moving, so it's kind of sketchy. For sure, BUSCO has a lot more like open land, a lot more water. The last park we kind of went to, it was very, very limited. Yeah, this park's rowdy. This is one if you want to go have fun, you can do it. And I mean, all around us, There's just tons of these little ponds. At one point we were in the water, there's fish jumping out. I'd do an overnight camp here and try to see if I can catch some fish. That'd be fun. But yeah, guys, it was intense. BUSCO Beach is no joke. It's definitely so far probably one of the best parts I've been to, even though I've only been to 2. It was fun. We're just grabbing some extra stuff right now. It was a good video. We're wrapping it up. If you guys are enjoying this content and want to see more, just leave in the comments down below. I enjoy filming it for you guys, kids. Something different, and y'all get to see me shit my pants. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Lit and Bass TV.